The client needed a durable and waterproof roofing solution that could accommodate regular foot traffic. One of their Midwestern plant's roofs was experiencing issues with leaks, and the solution needed to be compatible with their soon-to-be-installed photovoltaic roof mount array. Asphalt is one of the key ingredients of the MR multi-ply roof system because of its availability, flexibility and waterproofing protections. The pre-engineered steel buildings need to be secured from moisture, while still being allowed to flex and move to accommodate loading and thermal expansion and contraction. Project challenges. Our crews would work around the extensive exhaust system, spanning nearly 14 acres of the roof. Our crews would work in conjunction with the photovoltaic panel installer, simultaneously. Schedule coordination began 3 months before the project was started. Once our MR multi-ply roof system was installed, it had to be adapted to the 14,000 individual photovoltaic panel mounting brackets. Once placed, Thermal-Tec crews returned to match the technical complexity with the same precision to perform the final phase of the MR multi-ply installation. There could be no opportunity for failure in waterproofing every single anchor. Now, the entire facility is secure with a durable roof system that added only 12 to 14 ounces per square feet. The entire system, material, and labor are warranted and will be serviced by Thermal-Tec crews for the duration. MR multi-ply roof system is available in a variety of roofing granule colors. The client chose a white granule for an attractive aesthetic contrast to the black solar array. Contact Thermal-Tec Roofing at 800-531-9798 for a free estimate.